Hello friends, this is MG Factor. If you are new to the channel, I would request you to please subscribe the channel, hit the bell notification and press the like button so that you can get more such videos in future. I will keep reviewing the products and other stuff which could be relevant. So today we are here to change the battery in the Fiat Key Fob. So for this, what you will need is any flathead screwdriver, no specific size. You will need an 2025 battery, which you can buy it from Amazon or your local hardware store. I got it from Amazon. It was like $2. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase one. Now here's the process that we need to follow. If you see here, we have a latch. We can manually release or just use a screwdriver to manually release the key from inside. Put it aside. Then if you notice here, we have two lips and these are very fragile. So please be gentle while separating them apart. So gently put your screwdriver in and which has been developed. Started separating the two ends. So gradually push them out. Please be gentle while you separate them. These are very fragile and can break very easily. So under this cover, you will find the battery. So just remove it. Put your old battery aside. Here comes your new battery, which need to be replaced. So if you see, you have a plus sign here, and similarly you have a plus sign on the top. So just align them. Put the cover back in. Gently press back into the slot. Put your manual key in and you are all set. Thanks for watching.